Come and chill, come and chill, come and chill, come and chill, come chill with topic. It's a vibe, it's a vibe, it's a vibe, it's a vibe. Come chill with topic. Come and chill, come and chill, come and chill, come and chill, come chill with topic. It's a vibe, it's a vibe. Come and chill, come and chill. It's a vibe, it's a vibe. Come and chill. Ain't nothing like ride with missing highs and they extra clear. When you turn it up, you hear the music piercing in your ear. Bass knob on the stubs in the trunk, I had to come and dear. When the trunk shaking, you can feel the earthquake.
Oh yeah, y'all, we gotta check in like 2. Now watch how I owl back up. See, it ain't missing on this side, nor this side right here, so that let me know right off the bat that's not a ignition cord, that's not a spark plug, or a fuel injector. Man, the motor pretty clean on it there. Just wait till I put that alternator on. So I'm finna have to go and get a shorter belt for the alternator. The pull on the alternator is about 1/4 of an inch shorter all the way around. So I'm gonna get a belt that's 1/4 of an inch shorter and 1/2 of an inch shorter to make sure that I have the right belt for my alternator application. Got to take all this off. We go clean the throttle body, go clean the mass airflow sensor. So we gonna make sure all the vacuum stuff is working. But yeah, bro, we finna make a list and we gonna go ahead and get everything that we need, including the OB2 scanner. And we gonna come back to the crib and we gonna make sure that we run diagnostics and clean everything up. Alright, y'all, so we back from AutoZone. I got some carburetor cleaner. This will go help clean the throttle body and stuff when I take it off. I got a scanner as well, man. This scanner is made by Innova, and I think this is like the upgraded version of the one I used to have. So it's something like an app you can pull up on your phone and it'll show you the codes for your car and everything. And we got this belt right here, 6 band for the alternator. So this belt right here isn't short enough. We had to go back and get the other one, but this should be the exact size for the alternator specs. Motor look clean. So man, we're gonna check out this first. I'm gonna see how to work this, and I'll come back at y'all and let y'all know what codes we got. So we got this P0340. That's the cam shaft position sensor right there. Then we got P0443, and I think that's the evap canister. Then we got code P0354, and that's going to be initial core 4. I mean, that's going to be circuit 4, initial core D. But the first thing I did was locate the cam position sensor that's right here on the right side of your motor on the 8mm bolt. I looked at the harness. The harness seems to be straight. I don't see nothing too bad wrong with it. I went ahead and took the initial core out as well just to examine it, and I don't see no cracks and nothing within the initial core, so it could be the spark plug, guys, because you can buy some spark plugs sometime, and if you don't check the gap or you don't gap them, that'll be an issue as well. And right here, this is the evap canister, and I don't even think the canister was bad. I think this is the problem right here with the evap canister. So this is the line right here to go to the evap canister. Y'all see that line got a dent up in it, like, bro, the line is literally closed in right here. I also discovered while doing research that the cam position sensor, it can also malfunction if the alternator is bad. So we're gonna also change the alternator as well. But what I will be doing is I'm gonna go ahead and get another spark plug, the cam position sensor, and this evap canister right here. I'm gonna go to the junkyard and get this though, because I need that line. Need that line over there. But yeah, guys, we gonna go ahead and get all these parts. I'm gonna go to the junkyard and I'm gonna come back and we'll put everything on. Alright, y'all, so this is what I was just showing y'all. Look at that. See, look, you see how I just broke? It was already cracked. So shit, that was the issue right there with the evap. Alright, y'all. Finally got the cam position sensor out. It look pretty beat up. These connectors right here, they damn near black. So yeah, bro, they look burnt. But I grabbed it from right here, guys. Grabbed it from right here. Okay, we ain't got a lot of debris right there. So yeah, man, we gonna try this sensor right here, bro. Evap canister, spark plug, and in case we need initial coils, I got more in the car. But yeah, man, we got the other coils right here. I think these still work. I just think, you know, we couldn't use them because the car was already messed up itself. So I know it look a little messy, guys. I'm finna straighten up real quick, and we gonna install the alternator from Autotech as well. Go ahead and put that on so we can get good voltage. You know what I'm saying? So yeah, for y'all guys that new to the channel, here go the Autotech engineering alternator. She's sweet too. She nasty. She gonna look good right there on the engine too. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Look, y'all, I'm gonna go ahead and get this show on the road. Alright, y'all, so the Autotech engineering alternator is installed. This is a 250 amp bridge alternator right here, and this the belt. So y'all see, man, the belt on nice and tight, man. Alright, y'all, man, we at advance now, man. I'm getting a spark plug because I know ain't nothing wrong with that ignition coil. Cause it said the same thing when I put the other set on. So, bro, I'm being real tight, bro. We go ahead and get the cam position sensor, the spark plug, and we gonna try that, bro. We gonna see if she level out. You know what I'm saying? It's gonna be Alright, y'all. So, battery and everything still resetting. We got the replacement part right here. I'm finna go ahead and install everything. And then, bro, I just found out that that was the improper hose right there. It was the wrong hose from the jump because it wasn't fitting right. Like down here on the end right here, like it was supposed to go another way. So that's probably why it was cracked. But hey, man, that's one less thing we got to worry about. As y'all see, man, it's coming from right behind throttle body. Then it runs up here. This part right here comes from here, goes down, connects on this line. Everything's straight, ain't nothing coming loose. Now I'm finna hit this spark plug right here. Alright guys, we got the spark plug installed, ignition coil, fuel injector 4, 3, 2, and 1. Fuel injector, everything connected. Change this whole little setup right here. All the hoses, brand new hose. Yeah, man. Alright, here go the old sensor right here. Here go the new sensor. Saying this supposed to be the problem, guys. So y'all see how I was telling y'all about them connectors. See, these connectors, it just really probably need to be clean, but hey man, ain't nothing but a few bucks, about 20, 30 bucks. So hey man, it's worth, you know what I'm saying, getting rid of that Misfire. Alright, y'all, I'm finna just turn it a couple times just to see what that belter do. Cause I don't want to tear nothing up with that alternator. Oh yeah, we gotta clear the code first. Shit, y'all come on with me, man. Gotta clear the code first. Said do it. So this we gonna do right here. And all the code we got is saved in the log in my phone. Alright, so go erase it. Okay. Alright, erase is done. Alright. Plug it. Plug it. And we shouldn't have to check in like when we cut the car back on. Let's see. Come on. I'm hoping she level out, man. Alright, y'all, we changed everything. Hold on, man. Hey, bro, cut my car real quick. What good, fam? So it's day 2. Got the merch. I got my light out here today. We gonna do few checks on the fuel injector. We're gonna check all the connectors and everything because we trying to get this intake manifold figured out, bro. I don't really know what's going on. I'm good. I'm just walking it down, bro, but the engine pretty much good, bro. I ain't heard nothing knocking, nothing tapping. Cranks up on the dime, as y'all finna see. We got the new alternator on there. But yeah, bro, we gonna run some tests today. I'm just finna crank it just to show y'all that, man, it run as it should when you first crank it, but when I give it a little gas, it's like, that's when the problems come. But let me show y'all. Y'all hear that? The fuel going to the front. The fuel pump came on. Y'all see how that idle raising up? Now at this moment, guys, hold on. At this moment, guys, we have no misfire. Nah, it's coming back on this side over here. So yeah, guys, we go check those initial cords and stuff. Oh yeah, bro, that's something. That's something that can be figured out. Alright, so dropped my car off November 28th. Right now, bro, it's March 22nd, 23rd, one of them. But man, it's almost 4 months in. I got my car back about a couple of days ago. And I've been working on it yesterday and started to come out here and work on it today. But I'm just looking at everything. I'm like, man, I don't know, bro. So it's the antifreeze leak. I don't think I'm supposed to be doing nothing riding, guys. So we come over here. Antifreeze leak right here. Before I gave him my car, the car running smooth, running like a sewing machine. Like I said, all it would do is when the car warm up, the oil will get into the combustion chamber and then it'll come out the tailpipe. So I just wanted the A1. I didn't want it smoking. I wanted all the gaskets and everything that was required for this car to be put on. So everything back together. But I'm trying to figure out why the car ain't running good at all. Everything looking good under here, but I can't move forward because I don't know what's going on. On top of this manifold leak, I was gonna take everything loose and attempt it myself, but nah, man, I'm just gonna let somebody else do it. I done went over everything probably around 5-6 times. But we just got to get that mist out. We get that mist out, we can be gold. We can go ahead and start putting everything together. But we got to take this throttle body out. We're going to try that. We're going to try them screws. We're going to clean all that carving out. And that shit had an idle running, you know, good rather than erratic. So we gonna try that, man. All right, love. But yeah, man, we go see what's going on, bro. At this point, I'm frustrated as fuck. You know what I'm saying? All right, so I think I found the culprit. So I went on Google. I found the correct wild harness for my car. 2000 Mercury Grand Marquis. Damn near all of them pretty much the same with this part of the wild harness. So I get back there to my O2 sensors and it's looking crazy, man. Hold on, let me get y'all some light. Alright, man, so we got some light back here. But them O2 sensors, they which are right here. These the O2 sensors, guys. This the long cable. Then they are long and short for a reason. The long, let me show y'all. This long cable right here is gonna go on the passenger side. But y'all see where it's at. It's on the driver's side. This right here is on the wild harness. This is number 2 as far as the numeric order that all of the plugs are in. But on the particular harness that I looked at, which I'm putting on the screen, this right here is number 2, and number 2 is the bank 1, number 1 oxygen sensor, right? And bank 1 is gonna be on the passenger side. Y'all see this oxygen sensor right here on the driver's side, right? On the wild harness, this one right here is number 8, which is the shorter wire for the O2 sensors. It's gonna be bank 2, O2 sensor 1. All right, bank 2 gonna be the driver's side. This is gonna be on the left side, and this one gonna be on the right side. Not facing, but as the way that the car goes. I build a piece of equipment for somebody, and they come back, man, I don't like it. It's not working. It's not functioning. Bro, we finna work this out right now. Everybody else is put to the side because we doing business. You came for everybody else, so therefore you got to be right. You know what I'm saying? So I'm not finna do you like that. Alongside of working on about 5 or 6 to 10 different other cars, you go miss something. You know what I'm saying? And it's all right because hell, we've been walking our whole life, but we get up someday and we still trip and fall, right? So basically, guys, what we having is cylinders misfiring because they are not firing when they're supposed to. And I was wondering why. I sat there, man, I watched my car for 2 hours. We'll have this side running good, then it'll switch over, then it'll come back. Then I had just random misfire code. Every cylinder has a certain time it's supposed to combust, and with those being mixed up, everything is all over the place. So what I'm gonna do is, with me cleaning the EGR valve, I'm gonna put this canister back on. Nothing was fucking wrong with it. But I'm glad I did go to the junkyard to get those vacuum hoses. And we got this throttle body. We're gonna do all that. And we gonna crank this car up, bro. And I know a lot of y'all probably like, oh, I would've took my car back to him, man. He did. Man, look, I'm the type of guy, we already talked. So either way it goes, I'm gonna come out on the good end as a customer. All he's supposed to be did was put all gaskets on the engine, get the heads reworked, did the pistons, and you know, with the head work, that's gonna stop the smoking. That's what I really went up there for, because my car sits for about 30 minutes once it warm up. Then when I pull off, you'll smell oil out the tailpipe. You know what I'm saying? So that's all I went up there for. I wasn't trying to have no race car, nothing, guys. I really kept this shit plain and simple, bro. I'm gonna touch my own car because this me. You know what I'm saying? I want it running right so I can keep on posting these videos. Like I said, we installed the alternator. We had around like 14.6 volts with it on, so we good right there on the alternator. And I was supposed to be putting the door counters in and the rear deck for y'all. And we was gonna build a center console. So that's what I was supposed to be doing, but y'all see what's going on. So let's go and get to it, man. We finna change everything around, put everything back on, crank the car, and see what it do. This should work. See y'all, goddamn, my tools went to. These right here, open them up. Boom. We just had to unplug it. I'm gonna plug it back up so I can go ahead now and reset it now. So it's like done. All right, there we go. Alright. Gotta give it some time to clear itself out, man. Trying to let it clear itself out, y'all. Now we gotta see if we go misfire. I'm gonna go drive the car real quick, man. Ready now. Alright, fam, so I thought I had y'all on, guys, but we at the house. Y'all see it's raining, man. Your boy got up and got busy for y'all today, bro. I'm out here in the rain. I went and seen my mechanic, man. We talked everything over, cause like literally, man, we had got into an argument and everything, bro. And I'm a good nigga, bro, cause even after I fixed the problem, you know what I'm saying, I ain't even have no money back. It ain't about the money, bro. I want my shit right. You done had it 4 months. You know what I'm saying? So that's kind of like the situation, bro. But man, we good now. Man, I told him the car run. He seen the car run. That nigga hugged me, man. You know what I'm saying? We hugged each other, bro. But yeah, I haven't dropped a video in 2 weeks and a half. My car had went back to the mechanic for him to see what the issue was. Still couldn't find the issue, guys. Still couldn't find it. And all it was just the O2 sensor, bro. Bank 1, bank 2 was goddamn switched up, but now everything good, guys. Y'all see the car running. Y'all see how that bitch pulled out. You know what I'm saying? So, bro, y'all like, comment, subscribe. I'll see y'all next video.
TNC found what good, man. It's a vibe, come chill. Come and chill, come and chill, come and chill, come and chill, come chill with topic. It's a vibe, it's a vibe, it's a vibe, it's a vibe. Come chill with topic. Come and chill, come and chill, come and chill, come and chill, come chill with topic. It's a vibe, it's a vibe. Come and chill, come and chill. It's a vibe, it's a vibe. Come and chill. Ain't nothing like ride with missing highs and they extra clear. When you turn it up, you hear the music piercing in your ear. Bass knob on the subs in the trunk, I had to come and dear. When the trunk shaking, you can feel the air quaking. Just like a LMO tuner, whipping it go crazy. 2000 RP tuner, 30 hertz, watch how the bass it. You know it sound good when it's up to when the matrix. STLs called the vibe, the way that they was getting wavy. Come and chill, come and chill, come and chill, come and chill, come chill with topic. It's a vibe, it's a vibe, it's a vibe, it's a vibe. Come chill with topic. Come and chill, come and chill, come and chill, come and chill, come chill with topic. It's a vibe, it's a vibe. Come and chill, come and chill. It's a vibe, it's a vibe. Come and chill.